Well, we'll see how it plays out. I agree with your analysis. So does President Trump. Unfair trading practices. They've broken many laws. They've broken WTO laws. As you noted, IP theft, forced transfers of technology. They won't let American companies own themselves, so they can come in and literally a new regulation allows them to hack into American corporations to get information. That's more theft. And in some cases, they're allowing better ownership, but they won't give a license for the company to start up. And of course, there is a trade imbalance in the numbers. I don't want to forecast where this leads. There's just a lot to talk about. There may be this meeting in G20, which would be fine. I believe it's always better to talk than not to talk. But thus far, their response has been unsatisfactory to our asks. And as you just mentioned, our asks are pretty common sense, and Europe shares our view, and Japan shares our view, and Canada shares our view. So we'll see how it plays out. I think the Chinese have got to come and say, okay, we're going to change our structure, we're going to abide by the laws, and we're going to make a fair trade deal that will help the American economy and the American workforce. They've got to do that. They have not done that yet.
And in the meantime, Larry and Sarah, their market is getting hit a lot harder than ours. Their stock market, their currency is collapsing. I mean, it appears their economy is slowing. Do you really believe that the U.S. can decouple economically and in the markets from what's happening with the second biggest economy in the world and the spillover effect that could create?
Well, I don't know if it's a complete decoupling, Sarah, but look, we're on a roll right now. You know, the government doesn't run the American economy. The government runs a big chunk of the Chinese economy. That's a huge difference. Economic policies matter. I believe China is going wrong way on their economic policies. I believe the United States is going the right way on economic policies. Right now, to coin a phrase, we, our economy, and the people, the workers and entrepreneurs, they're killing it. We're the hottest in the world, Sarah. You look at the charts, Europe is slowing down. Asia is slowing down. As you correctly noted, China is slowing down. We are moving rapidly, right? 3.2% first half, 4.2% second quarter. The Atlanta Fed says another 4% in the third quarter. We'd be pleased if it's over 3. We are the hottest economy in the world. We're crushing it right now. And I think that's going to continue regardless of China. Long run, I would love to see some trade peace. Long run, I've spoken to the president many times. Let's get rid of tariffs. Let's get rid of non-tariff barriers. Let's get rid of subsidies. Let's stop the theft of IP. Let's stop the forced transfer of technology. These things would be wonderful for growth in all the countries and around the world. So, yeah, but right now the U.S. is carrying the ball. I don't see an end to it. With all due respect, I don't think this is anything resembling a sugar high. President Trump has changed the incentives in the economy. The war on business is over. The war on energy is over. The war on success is over. You keep more of what you earn and the paychecks get fatter. You keep more of what you invest and what you risk. That's the tonic that has been missing for almost 20 years. I don't want to be partisan. 20 years. Now we're getting it all back. America's on a tear.